Okay, today's video we're going to get this rusted out old plant stand, do a couple of repairs on it. You can see this here, this little wire's broken off there and someone's put a bit of bird shit on there. So I'll try and straighten that up. We'll sand her up, clean it up and see if we can get it looking new again. On the bottom it's got these little funny little plastic legs. They're going to come off. We'll see if we can replace them with something else. It's only got two of them at the moment. So we'll start with the welding repair on that. Then we'll grind that, clean all this up and see how she looks with a bit of paint. Okay, now I've cleaned that up there with the wire wheel. Getting ready to weld that back into there. And just found out something. I thought this was just painted with a bit of cheap paint, but if you have a look here, it's actually powder coating. Not very good. So I'm going to have to get it all off with the with this wheel here. Let's see how it comes off there. Kind of like that. So I'll be using that and the little wire wheel there to clean that up. But for now, I'm going to weld that on there and see how she goes. Yeah, that's all welded up and cleaned up a bit. Now we'll move on to cleaning up all this crud before we paint it. It's going to be a bigger job than I thought. This is what it looks like after many hours of the wire wheel and the little cordless drill. Still got little bits and pieces to go, like there. I'll probably do all them by hand. And then we'll give it a coat of paint and see how she looks. Here's what it looks like all painted after all the sanding and scraping. It's just silver zinc paint. Didn't come out too bad. There you go.